write cosine to the fourth of theta in terms of the first power of one or more trigonometric functions. So we don't like that we have an exponent on this cosine. We want to reduce it. So we're going to use the power reducing identity for cosine of theta. So we have this identity, first of all, that cosine squared of theta is equal to 1/2 times 1 plus the cosine of 2 times theta. So we're going to use this, and actually I'm going to just work right off of this identity. I'm looking for cosine to the fourth, which is actually the square of cosine squared. If I square both sides here, okay, I would have cosine to the fourth on the left. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I've got cosine to the fourth of theta equals, now squaring all of this, I have 1/2 squared is 1/4. And then I've got 1 plus cosine of 2 theta, and this is now being squared. So to square that, I'm going to go ahead and distribute by writing it out as two different factors, 1 plus cosine of 2 theta. And then we can distribute here. Oh, I lost my, my fourth there. Sorry about that. That is 1/4. So now I've got my 1/4, and then I have 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times cosine of 2 theta is cosine of 2 theta. And then cosine of 2 theta times 1 is another cosine 2 theta. So I get two of those. And then plus cosine of 2 theta times cosine of 2 theta, which is cosine squared of 2 theta. So I've now written this cosine to the fourth in terms of lower powers, but I still have a cosine squared here, and I just want the first power of trigonometric functions. So we're going to go ahead and now use the power reducing identity on this cosine squared as well. So I've got 1/4, 1 plus 2 cosine of 2 theta, and now this cosine squared, I use the identity. Okay, cosine squared of 2 theta is 1/2 times 1 plus the cosine of 2 times that angle. I'm going to write that out, 2 times that angle. Okay. And now we can go ahead and simplify just a tad. I've got 1/4, 1 plus 2 cosine of 2 theta, plus, now distributing this 1/2, I get another 1/2, and then 1/2 cosine of 4 theta. And really the only thing I could do at this point is I could combine this 1 and the 1/2, and we could bring the 1/4 in if we want. I'm not going to do that this time. So I've got 3 halves, combining the 1 and the 1/2, plus 2 cosine of 2 theta, plus 1/2 cosine of 4 theta. And now this is written in terms of just first powers of trigonometric functions.